welcome to my studio. I'll give you a tour. Come on. So one thing you will notice is my chair. Orange is my favorite color, so I absolutely love having an orange chair to roll me around my studio as need be. And behind my chair is where I shoot product photos. So it's just a white sheet on top of my step ladder, and I just place my handbags and small accessories here, and it does the trick. But I also have some other backgrounds I need to. Back here is my fireplace. I keep my mood board here for inspiration. A couple of plants. And this table, actually there were two of them. I had them custom built for my studio that was on Hatton Avenue. This was going to be my cutting tables. I had two custom built by a friend who is a woodworker here in Camden. And yeah, he built these by hand and painted them black for me. But now that I'm in a smaller space, I got rid of one. I gave one to a friend who does pottery, and I kept one for myself. And so this is where I do pretty much everything, because my sewing machine is here. I do all my cutting here. My Cricut is here. My stash of threads, my tools, they're here. And then underneath I have bins for everything from like bag making stuff to glues and paint. I had jewelry making supplies down here. So this table is amazing for not just what I have on top, but what I can stash underneath. Over here is where I keep more supplies, projects that are in process. My little library, my Cricut supplies, things that I need for like making shoes and things that I learned in school, things that I have for my students, my trim. So this little handy thing is amazing because it allows me to keep my leather crafting stuff here, my branding stuff. On the side, I have my hand tools hanging. So I just try to keep everything like really organized. On this side of my table, you can see where you will come and sit to discuss whatever custom designs you want me to make. You can either sit here or sit there. But in here is where I stash more things that are waiting to be upcycled. Right there is more of a stash as well. My dress form, some artwork, and my wonderful camera. That's what I use when I'm not using my phone to take photos of my products. I really use my camera more for making videos though, honestly. What else? Over here is where I stash fabric and leather that's waiting to be upcycled. More things like grommets and snaps, patches and buckles. All that stuff is organized over here. Buttons, jewelry, more jewelry making supplies. This is really my African waist bead stash because I teach African waist bead classes. Sewing machines, my patterns, my iron and steamer, all that stuff is over here. And then in this corner, we have my print and labels and shipping supplies. That all is over here. My labels are kept here. more label making paper, all that good stuff. And my printer is like my everything. And so yeah, I get lots of sunlight in here. I absolutely love it. And then when I'm done creating the things that I make in here, I sell them in my boutique. Hello! You gotta drop by the Sustainable Style Studio soon, 1912 Broadway.